Hello, today we're cooking the beef and pheasant burger from Wildandgame. We can also find on the website the pheasant and venison burger. So for this today we need the 4-ounce burger, slice of cheese, good cheddar cheese, slice of tomato, a little jam salad, 2 burger buns ready to be toasted, caramelized onions with balsamic, and some parsley butter, salt and pepper. Now we're going to cook the burger on a hot grill pan. Olive oil, and the burger for 3 minutes on each side. So now it's been cooking 3 minutes. We'll leave another 2 or 3 minutes to cook to the middle and it's ready to serve. It's been cooking 2 minutes. I now put the cheese on the top so it's going to melt slowly. Look at the lovely cheddar cheese. And I will put the brioche here to be toasted. And I will soak the juice of the beef. We got the burger ready. Turn it around, and I put this bun is so lovely with this garlic parsley butter to have a lovely tasty buttered buns. And now we're going to be dressing. The burger. I like putting the crispy little jam on the bottom. The burger, the cheese, the sliced tomato, and the caramelized onions. Wow! And the toasted bun. Serve with a lovely coleslaw. So here we go, bon appetit. Bon appetit. Here we are. We got some beef and pheasant burger, and also on Wildandgame ranch you could have the pheasant venison. Bon appetit.